The regional representative of FAO to Pacific, Ms. Yao, our Fiji office head of FAO, Ms. Juan Yang, a senior agriculture officer, the cluster group leaders, cluster group farmers, ladies, Nimbulakana Katiyo. Thank you very much for coming here today. And it is indeed a very important occasion for the cluster group, a very important achievement, your investment in your farm business. Today, all of you got together to collect money, raise funds, to make a one-third contribution to acquire a very important binding constraint for agriculture growth and development, which is machinery, which is in this case a tractor with 2-disc plow. On behalf of the Ministry of Agriculture, I want to thank all the farmers in Fiji, for the enormous amount of contribution, sacrifices they've done to push agriculture to another level that we've seen now. Non-sugar agriculture exports have exceeded sugar exports, first time in 2020, then 2021, again, we saw non-sugar agriculture exports rising to $121 million, which is a substantial improvement from 3 years ago. With regard to agriculture production, we are now feeding the entire nation, servicing the tourism sector, and despite that, we are creating surplus to export. Now, there are certain areas that we need to improve our production in terms of quality as well, in terms of bringing more land, unutilized land and agriculture that we will have a discussion about in today's forum and later. But again, today I want to again thank from government, from Ministry of Agriculture, from our government, the farmers who got together to organize a fund to meet the one-third contribution of 7,000 Fijian dollars to acquire this farm track, 30 horsepower, 4-wheel drive tractor with 2-disc plow. As I assured you some time back, that our continuous support to the farmers are there. We have got now this year the largest amount of money ever for direct assistance to farmers, $29.2 million allocated in this budget, direct support. In addition to support like subsidized medicines, veterinary services, plant pathology services, entomology services. So the applications have been extended to this week Friday. I do hope that the farmers who have not applied can apply by this week Friday online, or you can visit our agriculture office where our staff will help you to apply online. We no longer are taking hard copies of application. We want all applications to be online so the data is transmitted in real time to our office. So thank you very much. And I also want to take the opportunity to thank FAO for their support during some of the most difficult times for Ministry of Agriculture. COVID time, FAO was there to support us in our mobilizing the farmers to undertake backyard gardening so that food security is assured of urban dwellers who have lost jobs. FAO supported us to boost rice production. We were worried that during COVID, if Vietnam stops exporting their rice, we will be in a major issue with regard to food security, particularly for rice. So we mobilize farmers by ensuring that we will provide harvesters to them, we will provide rice mills so that they can grow rice, if not for commercial purposes, but for their own consumption. We have made substantial inroad in boosting production of rice. So thank you very much, and it's a pleasure for Ministry today to hand over to you this tractor that Excellency Yao has handed over to the group here. And we do know that this is an investment that we have made as you are treating agriculture as a business, and this investment ensure that the surplus that we are producing is expanded, will grow, and your households will benefit, the children will benefit, and the country will benefit as well. So thank you very much.
Big pleasure. Yes, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Na boleh bisa? Le.